Solve this equation for which x lies between 0 and 270 degrees. So the first thing we need to do is divide both sides by 64. So sine squared x equals 25 divided by 64. So sine x equals plus or minus the square root of 25 over 64, which is 5 over 8. So if we focus on sine x equals 5 over 8, we can obtain the value of x by taking the sine inverse of 5 over 8, and that equals 38.7 degrees to 1 decimal place. And in order to determine all the values of x that lie in our range, we need to firstly sketch out the sine graph. So given as x equals 38.7 degrees, we know that that's going to be this distance here. And if we draw a straight horizontal line to the point where it also meets the curve, we can draw a vertical line down to the x-axis, and we know that that distance here will also represent 38.7 degrees. So when we subtract 38.7 degrees from 180 degrees, we get 141.3 degrees to 1 decimal place. And for sine x equals minus 5 over 8, we can obtain the value of x by taking the sine inverse of negative 5 over 8, and that equals minus 36.7 degrees to 1 decimal place. And as we can see, this angle lies outside of our range, so we need to draw our sine graph to determine all the angles that fall in our range. So we know that minus 36.7 degrees is there, and we know that that's going to represent that distance. So if we draw a straight horizontal line to where it meets the curve, we have this point here, and we also have this point here. But bear in mind that this angle here is greater than 270 degrees, so we can ignore it. So this distance here is also 36.7 degrees. So in order to determine our second value that lies in this range, we need to add 36.7 degrees to 180 degrees, and that gives us a value of 218.7 degrees to 1 decimal place. And these are the final answers.